My God. Look at this. That's nuts. Christ almighty, Vinny. We've seen a lot of crazy things in our time, but nothing like this. Look, high school student kills 8. It's crazy. Janice, a fellow student and witness, says the shooter was a calm, quiet kid who got picked on by the football team. She recalls hearing the shooter cry out, "It's not my fault. He made me do it. I just couldn't handle it." The shooter brought the firearm to his head and took his own life. My God, Vinny, do you believe this? Look, I know it's bad, Vin, but we've been assembling these newspapers for 9 years. You've got to have something to say.
Hey, hand me the stapler over there, can you? Yeah. Oh, it's all my fault. I shouldn't have torn the man up.
You talk? Oh, wait. My God. Look here. It says the kid took the gun from home. Vinny, Christ. And look here. It says the other school member of Jefferson High School says that Tony had been bullied for years by the football team. Despite the frequent and known beatings, no one spoke up, including the shooter.
It's all my fault. I shouldn't have told him to fight back.
Vinny, look here, man. It says the kid was just 2 weeks shy of his 17th birthday. Man, Vinny, you've been awful quiet. Just say something.
Ugh, we're gonna need a new stapler soon. We're running out of staples too.
It really made you this sad? I mean, I can't blame you. Where the hell were the kid's parents? How'd they let him get a gun? I tell you, parenting just really isn't what it used to be.
Tony. That was the kid.
What?
Yeah, my boy. He's the one they're all talking about.
Oh, Christ, Frank, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Frank, I'm sorry. Honest, listen.
It's my fault, isn't it? I should have been a better father.
No, listen, Vincent. You know that's not true. You were a great...
I think I'm gonna head home.
Oh, Vinny.
Hey, I'm Robert. Nice to meet you. Just need to hear what happened. Here's the new stapler.
Sit down, start stapling. No talking while working.